Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a cool trick to create an aesthetic protruding built-in aquascape in Heartopia. First, just arrange some floor tiles and walls like this. For example, I want to make like this. And then next, just customize the patterns and color as you like. Like this, and then I want to add the lamp. I want to add on here like this, and then after that just make the base wall like this, and then after that just make the floor area is slightly larger, just slightly larger like this, and then after that just place the aquarium. In here I want to use the aquarium medium fish tank, and then just place it like this. It's slightly, just place it like this. It will make it extend out from the wall like this. You can see it. Just place it like this. And if you want to use the big fish tank, you can just arrange the base wall to match the size. And then after that, just remove the two floor tiles at the front. Just remove the floor like this. You can see it. And then after that, just move the aquarium into an invalid area, for example on here. And after that, if you are playing on mobile, just simply tap on the eye icon and the check mark icon at the same time until the aquarium move into the invalid space like this. You can see it. And then after that, just place any plants or decorations that you want to place inside the aquarium. For example like this. And then once you're done, just move those plants and decorations into the invalid area as well. Like this, you can see it. And then after that, just add a wall at the front. And then just coloring the wall same as the another side. Like this. And then next, just add the window. This window, I want to use this window, and then I want to make it black like this, and then just place it like this. And after that, just tap on complete. Okay, like this, you can see it. The aquarium and all decorations that are moved into an invalid area will automatically return and overlap with each other like this. And it will create an amazing protruding built-in aquascape effect that extends out from the wall like this. You can see it, it's extend from the wall. And it will making your designs look much more realistic and aesthetic. You can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.